Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best donut maker is Dash Mini Donut Maker Machine. This donut maker helps you quickly create fresh, perfectly colored cakes to serve your family's snacks. Furthermore, the product has a timer function, and it switches off automatically when the cooking is finished to prevent the cake from overcooking. Make cute, tasty mini donuts at home in no time, perfect for snacking, entertaining and kids-filled, frosted, glazed, decorated, sprinkles, and more. The possibilities are endless. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. 7 donuts all within minutes of the push start button. Plus, the non-stick surface makes cleanup a snap. The perfect wedding or new home gift. Its small size takes up little counter space, and its sleek design and trendy color options will match any kitchen decor. Number 2 in our side is Baby Cakes Multi-Treat Baker. If you want the option of making donuts as well as other desserts, this maker is the one for you. Plus it makes all these desserts faster than a conventional oven. The Baby Cakes Multi-Purpose Treat Maker is extremely versatile and one of the best donut makers on the market. It is easy to use and very durable. This donut maker comes with 3 interchangeable non-stick baking plates which can make donuts, cake pops, and cupcakes. It can make 7 cupcakes, 7 donuts or 12 cake pops. It can also be used to make mini bite-sized savory treats perfect for a snack. It's faster than conventional ovens, and our specially molded non-stick baking plates make it easy to turn out baked treats like a pro. Let's watch more. Third in our best donut maker list is Baby Cakes Mini Donut Maker. Here is another Baby Cakes donut machine. However, it has a capacity for 4 cakes. Its compact design doesn't take up too much space and is very convenient to store. In addition, it has a power light that tells you the machine is connected to a power supply. Moreover, this donut maker can stand stable on the counter, thanks to its non-slip rubber feet. Making your own donuts couldn't be easier. Spritz with spray, preheat, pour, bake, done. Our non-stick baking plates make it simple to pluck the donuts out and wipe down with a damp cloth. Then you're ready for the next time you. The power light turns on when you plug the donut maker in, letting you know that it's heating up. When it reaches the right temperature for baking, it blinks off. The baking plate is also coated with non-stick coating for more straightforward and more effective cooking. Our fourth pick is Health and Home Multifunction Donut Maker. This 3-in-1 unit can make 24 donut holes, or it can cook up all manner of sweet and savory dishes, from cake pops to eggs or meatballs. There are also interchangeable plates, allowing you to switch out the donut maker for a plain grill or a 6-pan egg fryer. The 3 pieces of interchangeable plates are easy for removable and installations. You can easily switch the 3 plates from a grill maker to pancake maker and cake pops or donuts or takoyaki maker. The non-stick coated plates are able to prevent foods from sticking, easier for foods release from the plates, and quickly clean up. Grill pan for grilling sausages, burgers, steak, veggies and barbecue foods whichever you love, and more. 6 holes pancake plate for frying all kinds of eggs, bacon and pancakes, pies, omelette, etc. 24 balls meatball pan allow you to make variety of fun snacks, meatballs, ebbelskiver, Danish abelskiver, cake pops, cake puffs, donuts, takoyaki, octopus balls and many delicious homemade desserts all at once. Last in this list is Baby Cakes Mini Maker Cake Pop. This donut maker produces beautiful donut holes that are perfect for making cake pops. It makes 9 donut holes, and the non-stick coating makes for stress-free cooking and clean-up. The recipes are endless. Vanilla cake pops, chocolate, red velvet, apple cider, maraschino cherry, almond, lemon, gingerbread. And that's just the cake. The recipes are endless. Vanilla cake pops, chocolate, red velvet, apple cider, maraschino cherry, almond, lemon, gingerbread. And that's just the cake. Like the bacon cheddar biscuit bites above, or hush puppies, wonton cups, pizza bites, Swedish meatballs, and more. Get creative with it. If you don't have buttermilk on hand, pour 3/4 of a teaspoon lemon juice or vinegar into a glass measuring cup. Add milk to equal 1/4 cup. Allow to stand 5 to 10 minutes, then use in place of buttermilk in this recipe. Combine flour, sugar, cocoa, baking soda, baking powder and salt in a mixing bowl. Add buttermilk, vegetable oil, egg and vanilla. Using a mixer, blend until smooth. Add coffee and continue mixing until coffee is evenly incorporated into mixture. Fill each cooking reservoir with about 1 tablespoon of batter.